Hello, everyone. It's Ricardo Nadal with the Nadal team at your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, and I want to let you know about this particular property that we are going to have an open house on October 13th from 6 to 7. This is an excellent opportunity for you to look at this incredible townhome and ask any questions you may have. If you have a house to sell and you want to buy this property, 1034 Burke Street. Okay, you have a house to sell and you want to move up to this house, then you can give us a call. We can buy your house. 678-381-8045. We're offering $10,000 in closing costs and a fixed interest rate of 5.5%. Again, this is October 13 from 6 to 7, 1034 Burke Street, Lawrenceville, Georgia, 30046. This is a wonderful townhouse located in the heart of downtown Lawrenceville. It got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's only 2 years old. Got almost 2,000 square feet of living space. It's a white kitchen, white granite countertop, and it's located in a friendly neighborhood. Again, guys, if you have a house to sell and you need to buy this one, we can buy your house so you can buy this one. And if you're a first-time home buyer, you can qualify for 5.5% fixed interest rate and $10,000 in seller pay closing costs. Give us a call, 678-381-8045.